Do you ever feel stuck? You want to wake up early, work out, or study, but you just don't do it? The problem isn't motivation. It's self-discipline. Successful people don't wait to feel like doing something. They just do it. And today, I'll show you how to build unstoppable self-discipline. 1. What is self-discipline? Self-discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's the secret behind every successful athlete, entrepreneur, and leader. They aren't always motivated. They're just disciplined. 2. Why do most people fail? Most people fail because they wait for motivation. But motivation is like Wi-Fi. It comes and goes. Discipline is your backup generator. It keeps you going even when you don't feel like it. 3. How to build unbreakable self-discipline. Step 1. Set clear goals. Be specific. Instead of I want to be fit, say, I will work out for 30 minutes daily. Step 2. Put your phone away. Stop buying junk food and create a distraction-free space. Step 3. Use the 5-second rule. When you feel like procrastinating, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, and take action immediately. Step 4. Stay consistent. Small, daily actions create massive results. Even if you feel lazy, do it anyway. 4. The challenge. Now, I challenge you. Pick one habit to be disciplined about starting today. Comment below what it is.